And now, 9 Urban Dictionary definitions you need to know. Farte blanche. Permission to fart freely. Carrie was given farte blanche around the house for the weekend. Bropocalypse. A large gathering of bros on a mission to get drunk. Quarter beers are a sure sign of the coming bropocalypse. Make it snow. To throw diamonds or cocaine in the air. I'm so rich, when I hit the club, I make it snow. Dankrupt. To be out of marijuana. Johnny couldn't pack a bowl because he was dankrupt. Moobs. Excessive breast fat on a male. I love to bury my face between his moobs. Clam jam. The female version of a cockblock. Jenny is a dick because she clam jammed Rachel. Nocialize. To ignore friends in public for your smartphone. Jenny is a dick for nocializing at brunch. Meat sweats. To perspire while eating large amounts of meat. Our dinner date was ruined when Mark got the meat sweats. Screwvenir. Items kept after sleeping with someone. Jenny's new shirt is a screwvenir from Ted's house. YOLO. Carpe diem for stupid people. Let's have another drink because YOLO. For more definitions, visit urbandictionary.com. Be sure to look up beef walk. It's quite amusing.